Hi there, in this video, I will be guiding you on how to reactivate your Revolut card. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So first, you will either open your Revolut app or your website, whatever is available, and of course, make sure that Revolut is available on your country, and then after that, of course, you will log into your account once you're here. And then you will tap cards once you have logged in, which is on the bottom menu. And then go ahead and select the card that you would want to reactivate. And if the card is frozen or black, you will just have to tap reactivate card and then confirm identity with PIN or 2FA. Card is now active and ready for use. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.